So, guys, I just made a video about finding the fridges, and it didn't record. So I'm gonna have to do the other part I was going to do. Find the fridges. I've already done all the commons. Now I'm gonna do the uncommons. And there's a lot more of them. So I'm so very sorry that you don't get to see the first episode. But here we go, you get to see the second one. So, Ninja Fridge. Complete the obby at the dojo to unlock him. Okay. Let's go to teleport. Let's teleport to the Fridge Town. He should be... Oh, dojo. Over here. Here's a dojo. So apparently there's an obby in the dojo. Oh my god, here we go. Well, this might be harder as a fridge. Oh, yeah, there we go. Can I morph into myself? No. Okay, I'll have to reset, but... Oh, this is gonna be... This can't be that hard, can it? No, how did I miss that? Ready? Get in. Woohoo! Ninja marker. Ninja fridge, not marker. Hot. Oh, let's morph. Oh yeah, I'm a ninja. Now, hot dog. On top of a bunch of hot dogs. That sounds interesting. Probably on a giant fridge, because this is where all the food is. Is he on this? No, might be on here. Because it might be hot dog. The hell? Why is there big food? Where'd that take? No way. There is a bean obby. I want to go down here because there's this toxic gas fridge. Cool. He's uncommon, so that's good. Woohoo. I think he kills me. Toxic gas. No, this is hard. Let's teleport to the Fridge Town. I think I saw some hot dogs in the sandy desert. I saw some over here. Here's the hot dogs. Sorry about that, guys. The hot dogs are over here. I knew it. Must be above. Yep, I see him. This might be some hardcore obbying parkour. Wait, no. This is hard, you ready? Hui. No. How am I gonna do this? What? This is illegal. What? That's so in the way. Can I get up to this one then? Maybe I can cheat the system. Oh, I had it. I did get up there. I saw it. No! I just messed it all up. Poo poo. Oh, maybe. No. Bloody hell. Yeah. Alright, fine. Shift lock it is. Oh my god, this is so sad. Why is it so hard? Hard. Why is this game so hard? I have no idea. Oh, I nearly had that. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes. Finally. The hot dog fridge. Now we have... I want to be a hot dog. Now we have... Ooh. the hello. Now we have the construction fridge. Is in the factory. He is in the factory. Where's the factory? Factory. Office buildings. Would it be here? I think I saw a factory actually in the fridge town. Yeah. Factory place thing. It's a very cool name. Oh, it's a conveyor belt one. No! I literally just had it. I was literally going X Games mode. Yes! Thank God. Construction fridge. Cat fridge now. He's at the top of a giant tree. Where's a giant... That's a giant tree. How do I get on top of it? Oh, it's an obby. Okay. This shouldn't be too hard. I hope. I don't think I need shift lock for this one. Okay, doing good so far. Jumps are getting bigger. Cat fridge. What is next? Spider fridge. Noob fridge can help you. But I've already found the noob fridge. He's in his house. Or maybe the spider fridge is spying on him. Is that him up there? Yeah, it is. Do I have to stand on top of him? I got it, I'm up. I'm so fat. Look. Yes! Got the spider fridge. That was hard. I got the water fridge already. Tiny fridge. Ooh. Near spawn. Are you sure? Oh, maybe because he's so small. Didn't notice him. Is it on there? Where would he be if he's that small? Is he around these edges? What a little tiny fridge. Where are you? I'm going to find you and I will eat you for breakfast.
I'll eat your soul.
Is that him? Yes, I knew it. Tiny fridge. Sand fridge. Oh, I already have the sand fridge. That's cool. Wait, do I have all of these then? I think so. Sand fridge. Okay. Barrel fridge. Near barrels. Where would barrels be? Would they be in sewers? I don't think I'm meant to be here. That looks like a fridge. I'm going to get you, rusty fridge. Oh yeah, I actually got it right. His name's Rusty Fridge. Cool. Good name. Bye, Rusty Fridge. Yeah, I don't think this is the right place. There's a fridge. Oh god, my body's so thick. Right, where would barrels be? Let's just go to fridge down. Maybe in like a saloon. The saloon over here. Should I put a sandy desert? I think he might be in the saloon, maybe. Is there any barrels in here? No. I bought an orange juice. I wanted it. So I'm holding an orange juice as a fridge. 20 fridges required. I have 23. It's just for me. Howdy, what can I do for you? Bro, give me your badge. Ah, so you're a free chancer, are you? I'm not gonna hand over my badge that easy, pal. I want that badge. But if you're gonna get this badge, then you're gonna have to get it off my dead body. I can arrange that. Think real hard about your about to do. I don't want your blood on my hands. You have no hands. Oh, God. What? He didn't shoot me. Okay, that's bloody stupid. It's because I thought I'd already have the gun in my hands. Then he wants to fight. Oh, he's an epic. Right then, not complaining. But I still need to find this barrel fridge near barrels. Where the... Oh, these are barrels. These look like barrels to me. Any barrels? No? Oh. Where are the barrels? It says near barrels. Would it be on top? No? It says near barrels, but the barrels are here and can't see anything in the barrels, but maybe there's stuff behind them here. No. Behind here. Oh, more about, yeah, there we go. Barrel fridge. Walrus fridge. He's in the snow area. Okay, let's go to Snow Wedge Mountain. Okay. Where's the walrus fridge? He looks like he could be over here. Ow. Walrus fridge. There's also a snowball, which I think I should probably get. Did I get it? I think so. It's glowing weird. What's the next fridge? Snow fridge. In the snow area. Oh, no, really? Let's go back to the snow area. Is it this one here by any chance? Oh. No. There's a frozen thing. Oh, do I have to click on it? Snowball 4. There's something here. I can see it. Can I climb this? No. Okay, that's fine. No, okay. Let's teleport back to the start. Or you might be in here. I think there's probably someone in there. Yeah, there is. How do you get in there? I'm at the top. Where? Maybe in here? Warning, ice is very icy. Well, no, really. I didn't know that. Thicko. Oh, and it disappears. Lovely. Oh, yeah, and that disappears as well. I did not know that. Thank you very much. Lovely. Oh, and thank you very much. What? That's actually disgusting. What? No. That is literally illegal. Ah. No. Come on, bro. What? I didn't touch that. I swear. I don't think I'm doing this just for an uncommon. So I don't think what I'm trying to get here is an uncommon. Like, at all. No, that is literally impossible. I am not going for this anymore. Where would the icy one be? I think I need to get all the snowballs, maybe. What fridge is it? It's the snow fridge. Oh, okay. I've got Snowball 1 and Snowball 4. which is fine. Where are the other snowballs? Oh, what do I do with fridge coins? Where? How many more fridges? I might do the rest of the fridges. I might do the rest of the fridges in another episode. I'll just do the snow fridge and the winter fridge. I will do the rest in another episode. Maybe they're in one of these snowball things. No? Okay. This one? Nope. There he is. I found you, bro. Hello. Lovely. Winter fridge. How is that literally a hint? In the snow area. He's here. How do I get in there? How do I get in there? Ow. Oh, I need to climb that. Oh, I get that. Okay. Let's go up here. Sorry guys, this video might be a long one. It's going to be about maybe like 17, 18 minutes long. You in the comments tell me what your favourite length of videos are. Like, do you like long ones, like short ones? Do you want like 10 to 20 minute ones? Like, your decision, because I only do what my fans like, but I don't know if I have many fans. If you are watching, please hit the subscribe button. It's free, doesn't cost anything, and you can always unsubscribe, but I don't want you to. But you can if you want, if you really don't like my content. But I hope everyone does. And everyone comment games for me to play, and I'll see if I can play them. Like, maybe like Roblox games and some others. Right, that is the winter fridge. Here we go, guys. Just gonna transform into my favourite fridge, the moustache fridge. I'm gonna zoom in on his juicy moustache. Hello. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. See you later, boy.